For today's party foam, I am using Truifit and Hill Sandalwood Shaving Cream in a tube. This cream is glycerin based, excellent for close and comfortable shaving. The scent has a soft base of sandalwood, tonka and cedarwood, lavender, thyme and jasmine, with a top note of a fruity twist of pineapple, melon, lemon and bergamot. Together with my personal Kent shaving brush as the perfect combo for a pleasant close shave. Next short, I will continue the shave tasting of the Mühle Companion Safety Razor. Thanks for watching.